Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Diana Roque Dumo, 37 years old. I'm married with 2 kids. I don't have any long-term medication. I'm I'm domestic helper before in Lebanon for 5 years. I can take care of elderly old women and a newborn baby. My duties are cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and I can sing, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. Thank you. I hope you will hire me, Ma'am and Sir. I'm trustworthy, loyal,